Jackass star and wrestler Stevie Lee passed away at age 54. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we're right back with the details of this to come on the program. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. Professional wrestler Stevie Lee, who is known by the name Puppet Psycho Dwarf, has passed away at age 54 years old. This news was confirmed by his family on a GoFundMe page created on September 10. The family have issued a statement stating that he passed away on Wednesday, September 9th at his home in the morning. The statement read, "He was loved by many of his family and also his friends, and his fans adored him very much." The statement continued that Lee has put a smile across the world with his hardcore attitude and lifestyle. He was a legend in the art of midget wrestling, as he began his wrestling career on the pay-per-view series NWA Total Nonstop Action back in 2002. He is also credited with helping to create the Half Pint Brawlers organization, which turned into a 2010 reality TV show on Spike TV. Lee's career would include opportunities both on the big screen and small screen, as throughout his lifetime he has appeared in a number of top-level profile films including Johnny Knoxville, Jackass 3D, and others right across his entire lifespan. In 2014, he appeared in an episode of Ryan Murphy critically acclaimed series American Horror Story Freak Show. We here at Links 007 TV as well just want to take this opportunity just to express our condolences to his family and friends. And I can tell you that this year 2020 have been such a sad year. We've lost some of our great stars to date, including the Black Panther actor as well, and we have seen certain situations being played out this year. This year has just been such a year of turmoil and a year of just sadness whenever we look on what is going on around the world. And it's just so sad to see that we have lost this great actor just at age 54, and we've lost a number of others since the year have started, which is just so sad. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and you're out for this one. Peace out. Bless.